Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a sort of Ipsy Glam Bag X unboxing. I said a sort of unboxing because I do have the box, but I don't actually have the outer packaging. So my products are here on this package that I have received last month with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you remember, I told you in one of my videos that I did last month, actually this month, because this is the first month in this year when I'm receiving my US packages on the same month. So you will see all my current unboxings for the month of May on the same month, not on the next month. So this is fantastic. But I told you that I have switched the shipping company. And while I was preparing my consolidation package, there were some questions there and they were asking if I'm keeping the outer packaging, and I selected that I want to keep the outer packaging. But when I received the package, I was really surprised to see that everything, all my boxes were collected in a big, not very big box. I think it was the whole weight was 6 pounds. So I was able to reconstruct my boxes. Luckily I have kept some BoxyCharm boxes from the past months, but I wanted so badly to have the Ipsy Glam Bag X outer box. I don't have it. That's the story. If you don't know, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription. They have 3 types of boxes. They have the regular glam bag that is $12. You get 5 mini, deluxe or even full size. Then they have the Glam Bag Plus, which contains 5 full size products, and you are able to customize 2. And that is the one that I'm getting. What is nice, every 3 months you are able to upgrade either your regular $12 bag or $25 bag, so it doesn't matter which one you have, and you can upgrade that to Ipsy Glam Bag X. And what is special about that Glam Bag X is that it's a seasonal bag and is curated by a celebrity. So they had the first one in February and it was curated by Patrick Ta. And this edition, the May edition, was curated by Khloe Kardashian. Now, as I told you, I don't have the leaflet, so I think it will be a more short unboxing. Everyone was hoping to get one product among all the products that were spoiled on this box, and that was the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag X, curated by Khloe Kardashian, then just keep on watching. This Glam Bag X contains 8 full-size products and retails for $55 plus tax where it's applicable. This is the first product that I'm seeing, and I think this was curated by Ipsy. So I have the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, 50 mils, and this is how it looks like. I have had a product from Ole Henriksen long time ago and I really love it. It was either an SPF or a vitamin C cream. I don't remember exactly, but it was fantastic, whatever I had. Or maybe it was an SPF infused with vitamin C. I really don't remember. Apply to entire eye area. And this is all, provides a beautiful base for makeup. For external use only, use as directed. So I suppose you can use it this morning and evening, and it's good to use it 6 months after opening. I think this is as much as you need to finish an eye cream, or even less, because you only need a dot to use it. So this is the first product. So I will pop somewhere here on the screen the value of the product. Then the second product that that Ipsy or Khloe curated for me is this MAC lipstick in the shade Bated Breath. Bated And I think everyone got the same shade. I have just seen Jackie Naturals unboxing her Glam Bag X, and she also got this and she loves it. I didn't use it, I just got my box literally like 20 minutes ago, but I'm going to keep it. It's a nice nudish shade, it's like a mauve. It's a little bit darker than what I'm wearing today, but it's a shade that I love. And guys, look at this gorgeous packaging, so it's really beautiful. I don't have anything from this collection from MAC to look like this. I have few MAC lipsticks, but this I'm really excited for. So this was the second choice they put here for me. The next product they picked up for me is this RMS Beauty Lip to Cheek Rouge à Lèvres. Ah no, this is for dry. Yeah. So I assume, I forgot what is this. I think it's a cream blush. I just did my nails and I really don't want to ruin them. For a more smooth and operational service, I should always keep a handy little scissor. So really excited because this is actually my first RMS Beauty product. So this is the packaging, and as I said, I think this is a cheek product. It's a cream blush, really nice. It's a very nice pink. Ooh, I really love it. It's gorgeous shade, and it's the kind of dusty pink that it's also working really nice for my type of lip shade. So really loving this. Apply sparingly to lips and cheeks using fingers or RMS Beauty blush brush. Combine with RMS Beauty Master Mixer for a modern iridescent dimension. And this is good 12 months after opening. I think RMS Beauty is a clean brand. This is a product that I think I choose it. This is by Sunday Riley, and I'm actually surprised that it came in this plastic bag. I don't know if it was delivered like this or the shipping company put it, but it's a CO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. And I'm all about using vitamin C and turmeric products, guys. Actually, I'm right now using a vitamin C and turmeric serum, and I really love it. So I'm looking forward to trying this. And this is the most expensive product that Ipsy picked up for me, and I've seen that most of the people that got the Glam Bag X, they receive it. This is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster 20 mils that retails, guys, for $135 US. I think I have this. Now I remember when I see the packaging. I think I have another one that I got from Look Fantastic, the Valentine's edition beauty box, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so I have another one, but I'm not really 100% sure if this is for makeup or it is skincare. Formulated with Rosa Damascena and pure gold to enhance the natural radiance of skin for a coveted dewy, lit from within complexion. Shallow skin will become utterly incandescent. Shake well before use. Mix 1-2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer or apply directly to skin after cleansing. Okay, I haven't used it, but I'm planning to open. Probably I will use the one that I already have because I'm going through my serums and soon I will need to open a new serum. So I'm looking to see if this does wonders for my skin, especially for the high price tag. The next product that I picked up is this Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. So this is the number 0 and is 150 milliliters or 5.2 fluid ounces. So apply number 0 to dry hair. Saturate from root to tip. Leave on hair for 10 minutes. do not rinse. Apply a generous amount of number 3 hair perfector to saturated hair and white 10 minutes. Okay, I don't have the number 3, so I need to buy the number 3 before using this. I have no idea, so guys, please let me know if you have tried Olaplex. I'm new to the brand. Rinse, shampoo and condition as usual with Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay, really happy to have this. Now, for the eyeshadow palette, I got the Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, and I'm a bit bummed about that because I have heard other people, they were able to customize their eyeshadow palette. I was not able. This was picked up for me, and I would rather prefer to get the Patrick Ta one, not because I don't love the Modern Renaissance, but I have my own. I just used it today. I actually did this eye look using my very old Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette that it used to be my favorite eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I still love it. It has this velvety packaging and I really love it. She's my gem because she's my first ABH palette. I think I got it like 4 years ago. I'm not sure if 4 or 3 years ago. Anyway, I had it before starting my channel, so probably I have it from 3 years, not for 4. And it's good to use 6 months after opening, so she's expired. And this one, the one that they put it on the box, this is 12 months, so yeah, let me show you guys. So the one that I have is good 6 months. And this one, the Modern Renaissance, I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep it for a upcoming giveaway or I'm just going to sell it, because I don't think that someone will be interested to win this in a giveaway. It's an old palette. They could have chosen to put another ABH palette. Of course, it's a classic palette and many people love it. I cannot agree more, but I think she has more recent palettes that she could have contributed to this Glam Bag X. So yeah, this is my most disappointment for this Glam Bag X, that I was not able to customize my eyeshadow palette. And the last product, and the most exciting product for me, or one of the most excited, okay, I'm excited for all the products, to be honest. Even for the ABH, I'm excited because it's a value, yeah? So I can sell it or I can give it to someone. This is the Ricky and Ipsy mirror. So this is sealed. They didn't pull it out. So at least I'm thankful that I have the packaging for this. This is the Ipsy exclusive product. I have seen they also have the gua sha and I think something else. But yeah, this is the product that went sold out like within minutes. It has a magnetic closure, and actually nobody from the people that I've watched, nobody got the Ricky mirror. So yeah, I wanted this mirror for so long. I remember that Lisa J was talking about it and I really want it. So no world renowned glam is complete without flawless lighting. So of course Ricky will be included in this curated collection with Ipsy. So for 15% off of your purchase, use code Ricky and Ipsy. So yeah, if you want this mirror, guys, and you can save some money, you can use this code. This is the actual mirror. Oh, she's so pretty. So this makes up for the fact that I was not able to customize my eyeshadow palette. So maybe I should do a separate review for the mirror. I don't know. I even don't know how to use it. Okay, so and here you have the charger, the USB charger, and the instructions. Oh, and it has a pouch. This took me by surprise. She has a beautiful velvet pouch. Voila! So now your Ricky mirror is packed and ready for travel. So hopefully we will be able to travel this year. Oh, I open it. She's charged. Maybe I should. Okay, so you can see, yeah. So I discovered how to start it, and now I don't know how to stop it. Ah, okay, so you can dim your light from this button. From this button you'll stop it. Okay, so this is a learning curve. This is my Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of May. This was their second edition, as I told you. Now, what are my thoughts? I'm excited. I'm not over excited, but I'm excited for the products that I got inside. But I'm thinking to one thing that I have heard also other people commenting. I have watched like over 15 Glam Bag X unboxings, and I have not seen anyone getting the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Now, this was not the reason that I wanted to get the Glam Bag X, to put it right up from the front. I didn't want that. I have a lot of skincare, and I even have the small size, the 7 ml Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream that I'm still not tried, so I'm not that disappointed. Of course, if I would get it, if I would have the chance to pick up between the 111 serum and the Charlotte Tilbury, then for sure I would have gone for that cream. But there are many people that might have upgraded for Glam Bag X just to get the Charlotte Tilbury cream, and very few people got it. So I think it's not fair that it was done such a spoil, such a rumor. There were so many spoils, and yeah, very few people got that cream. So it's not that okay from my point of view. And also, it's not okay that some of the people were able to customize their eyeshadow palette from the moment they have put 2, because in the February edition they only had the Huda Beauty. But now I would have wanted to have the possibility to get the Patrick Ta palette, just because I don't have it, not because I don't want to get the ABH, because if I would not have the Modern Renaissance, then for sure I would have chosen that, because I know and I trust ABH quality. But yeah, this is my opinion. I'm not mad. I repeat, I'm loving my box. I'm not over the moon, but I'm excited and I'm loving my box. And I think I'm going to keep it at least one more season to see what are the changes and if it's worth getting it. But anyway, for $55 US plus shipping, I think it's worth getting so much value, because even this mirror I think pays for the box. Those being said, guys, please let me know if you got the Glam Bag X, and if by any chance you got the Charlotte Tilbury, or if you got the Ricky mirror, because also this one was a really rare stuff on the bag. I was not able even to see or to customize that Charlotte Tilbury, so they did not give me the option to customize it. It was not sold out when I started to do my customization. As I told you, please let me know in your comments down below what do you think about my bag. And yeah, if you enjoy this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have a really exciting collab for this week with a very dear friend of mine, so please stay tuned for that video. And other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day and week, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Bye guys! Mwah! And there was no box by Khloe Kardashian. By Khloe Kardashian.
Okay.